Hello, I'm Kevin Lloyd, the founder of MarketPro Trading, and I've been trading stocks and options for over 20 years. And in that time, I've seen it all: the big wins, the crushing losses, and the mistakes that nearly broke me. But through all those challenges, I discovered the breakthrough that finally made trading click. And since then, I've dedicated myself to helping traders just like you go from confused and overwhelmed to disciplined, confident, and consistently profitable. If you've been trying to trade the markets but feel like you're not making any progress, trust me, you're not alone. I also know that frustration, sitting in front of the screens for hours staring at charts, not knowing if your next trade will be a winner or just another painful loss. The truth is, most traders never figure it out, never become profitable. But it's not because they can't, it's because they were never taught the right process. You've probably felt it, that punch in the gut when you watch your account shrink instead of grow. The late nights second guessing every trade, studying charts, trying to figure out how it went wrong. The feeling that the market is somehow rigged against you. And worst of all, the doubt creeping in, wondering if you'll ever get it right. I started right where you are now. I remember making all the classic trading mistakes, chasing trades, ignoring risk, and letting emotions get the best of me. I blew up accounts, I lost sleep, and many times I almost gave up. But then I committed to mastering one thing: a process. Over years of trading, testing, and refining, I've developed a process that finally made everything click. That took me from frustrated and inconsistent to confident and consistently profitable. Today, I use that same proven process to help traders like you cut through the noise and finally trade with clarity, control, and confidence. That's what I built MarketPro Trading for: to give you the tools, education, and the coaching you need to stop gambling in the markets and start trading like a professional. Whether you want to day trade, swing trade, or trade options, I'll show you the exact steps, strategies, and mindset shifts you need to succeed. But here's the reality: every month you spend trying to figure it out alone is another month of missed opportunities. Every bad habit you reinforce now is one more thing you'll have to unlearn later. The market rewards skill, and without the right guidance, skill takes many years to build. Years you might not have if you're serious about growing your account and creating true financial freedom. If you're ready to finally break free from the guesswork, the stress, and the endless trial and errors, then now's the time. Go to marketprotrading.com right now and get started with my complete trading education and one-on-one coaching. This is the same process I've used to help traders turn years of frustration into consistent profits. It can work for you too, but only if you take the first step today. Don't let another trading year slip by. Click the link, join me inside MarketPro Trading, and let's start building your path to consistent, confident, and profitable trading together. The markets aren't waiting, and neither should you. Contact MarketPro Trading today. If you want to learn more about trading, and if you want quick daily insights and behind-the-scenes updates, make sure you follow me at MarketPro Trading. That's where I share bite-sized lessons and real-time trade ideas you won't find anywhere else.